Let's see what it looks like. Hello, it is I, Shweihninzy, and today we're doing moving vlog number 1. As you can see behind me, there's an oodle amount of crap that's in boxes, and I need to move all of this stuff. I was in the process of getting a vlogging camera, and I've bought 2 cameras, and the second one I just got is getting returned. I already returned the G7X Mark II. The autofocus on the one I got was horrendous, so I don't know if I just got a bad one. So there was that, and then I just got the SX740. That one was garbage as well, so here it is. Here, I'm not a fan of that, so that's going back to the store. Yeah, kind of upset about that, but we will move on. We will keep trying. I really want to be able to vlog for you guys. That's a huge goal of mine because I want to be connected with y'all, and I want to show you guys my life. Like I said, I have so much stuff to do today. Got a lot of stuff to do. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do, my boyfriend, my baby, my boo, my butter, GERARD, is on his way over to help me pack because I'm moving on Saturday. Today is Thursday, and Wednesday I had a huge horrible migraine. I still have it today. I've been getting them during that time of the month, which is so fabulous. Being a woman is amazing. And yeah, sorry I'm so far away, but the makeup stuff is stuff I know I can pack without his help. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll film it for y'all. So yeah. Here's what my makeup desk currently is looking like. It's looking like a disaster. I've got my 2 drinks here, my Dunkin' Donuts, got my water. We are ready to go. I know I shouldn't be drinking coffee while I have a massive headache, but you know what? I'm in pain and I want to enjoy a little bit. I don't know if this video is going to be up before this. I'm pretty sure it is, but the YSL All Hours Foundation review, check that out. So all of this needs to go. So I'll go ahead and do a bit of a time lapse for you guys. And yeah, hopefully we can get this put away because that'll be one less thing I have to worry about. Filming on my new camera. It only took 3 times to get the perfect one. Look at this. I'm filming on the new DJI Osmo Pocket, which is the one I wanted originally, but your girl was trying to be bougie. Come here, boyfriend.
Come here. Too tall.
Boyfriend. Can you track 2 faces?
Not if we go with separate directions.
True. The camera can't split. So cool. Oh, did it lose me? Oh, it did. Alright, y'all. I'm feeling pretty overwhelmed. There's so much stuff, if you can see. I don't even know. It's just, I got so much crap everywhere. You guys know how moving is. It's just a pain in the booty. I gotta figure out what to do with all this junk. Hello. Today is day 2. Well, not day 2. I've been in the process of packing and doing all that sorts of stuff for as I almost fall down the stairs. My goodness. Oh dear. Find me. So I'm in the process of getting everything done and all that stuff. But like I said, I've been in the process of doing all that kind of stuff. Oh, it's too dark and it can't find me. Luna! Oh, I brought you some toys. This is my cat, Luna. Say hello. Look what I got you. Bah. She got scared of it. Luna! It's okay. Is that too many feathers for you? Too big? Are you scared? Oh, it's okay. So here I've been sleeping actually in my parents' basement for the time being. So this is my bedding right now. So I got to put all of this in a box and have that ready to take to my new place tomorrow. Oh good, she likes it. Yay. So I got to pack all this up. Yay. This took forever. We covered the mattress thanks to my brother. Got my bedding in here and let's see, got my bedding in this box right here and got that all done, but I still have some things I need to pack. Just taking a breather right now. You guys know when you feel like you're just go, 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 and then you literally just sit wherever you can find a spot. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting in front of my bed here, just like not in the best position at all. Probably gonna kill my back. I've been having migraines pretty bad and headache every day because it's that lovely time of the month, and unfortunately I deal with that and it's no fun. So Miss Luna's over there, so I'm just kind of sitting and taking a moment to collect myself and kind of, I just feel like I've got so many things to do, but it's okay if it doesn't all get done right now. Everybody keeps telling me like, it's okay, you can always come back to your parents' house and get more stuff. It's just the big furniture that I'm really concerned about. So that's what I'm really worried about. But anyway. Good mythical morning. No, I'm just kidding. Good morning! It's moving day! It's been a process. I've got so much stuff in my car right now. I got the baby Buddha Buddha over here. Say hello.
Hello.
What you being into? So I'm going, yeah. So I'm going over to the apartment right now to finalize my paperwork, and then I get the keys, and then I'll see what my place looks like. I'm super excited. So let's go. Let's see what it looks like. And let's see. Oh yeah, it hurts. Oh my gosh, that's huge. Oh, here's my internet. So I don't know. Oh, I need to ask her about that. Hey, hey, look at this. And I can keep all this open. It's the woods in the back.
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
Yay! Just in the back. Wait. Oh wow. And a towel thing too. Oh wow! Oh, and the clothing closet! Hey, look at that! You moving? Look at my big strong man. Helping me. Are we gonna get the couch up? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's working.
Wait, are you cameraing this?
Mm-hmm.
Can you balance it there, Jared?
Yeah, I got it.
Do you want me to hold it?
No, I got it.
Keep your weight on.
Oh my gosh, it's working.
It's covered in leaves.
I don't care.
Yeah, hold on. You go to help there. I'll stop the camera failure if it starts.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, we're exhausted. This man was a powerhouse. All the muscles. I wasn't able to film as much as I wanted to because all of our hands were full. And yeah, but it is currently like almost 9:30 or something, and I feel like it's midnight and I'm exhausted. My back is killing me. I feel dizzy. His back is killing him. We're dying. This has been an all-day experience. I'm so tired. Hello everybody. So it's actually been 2 days since I've moved into my apartment, and oh my gosh, I am living in an absolute mess right now. There are literally just boxes everywhere. I'm stumbling over things. Stuff just looks really crappy. So I'm gonna kind of do an overview of what I'm living in right now, and I'm gonna do a series where I redo each part of my apartment. I'm really excited to do that. I love home decor. I love organizing things. I love home improvement kind of stuff. So, and this is a rental space, so I definitely want to try and maximize and really do stuff that I think will be beneficial for people who rent, because I know it's really hard to upgrade and make a really crappy place look bougie and nice, you know, with, you know, the rental agreement kind of conditions and stuff like that. So this is the mess that I'm living with right now, and I'm super excited to not be living in boxes anymore. So let's get started.